Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to track your monthly expenses with Bright. Keeping an eye on your monthly expenses is key to maintaining control of your finances. With Bright, this process is smooth and automatic. Let's go step by step. So first, open the Bright app and sign into your accounts. Then, from the bottom menu, tap on the Expenses tab. This shows a full overview of your monthly spendings. You're going to see spending categories like food, utilities, transportation, and entertainment. Each one displays the total amount that you've spent so far. To get more details, tap on any category. You're going to see a list of individual transactions that make up that total. If you want to see a past month, just use the calendar icon or swipe left or right to switch between months. If Bright miscategorized a transactions, you can tap it to edit the category. You can also add a note or tag it for easy tracking. For cash expenses, tap the plus add transactions button, enter the amounts, assign a category, and hit save. This ensures that even offline spending is tracked. Visual charts and graphs help you to see patterns and adjust your habits accordingly. Tracking expenses regularly gives you a clearer financial picture and helps you to stay on budget. If this walkthrough helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.